1 cup coconut milk for kneading, half cup lukewarm water, half tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon dry yeast and 1 dessert spoon semolina, half teaspoon salt. Method: mix sugar and yeast and cover with a little warm water. Keep aside for 10 to 15 minutes until froth appears on the surface and starts cracking. Mix well until the sugar and yeast granules are dissolved. Keep aside. Cook the semolina with half cup water to make a porridge sieve the rice flour in a bowl. Pour the semolina porridge into it and mix well. Add the yeast, ferment and the coconut milk. Knead well for at least 10 minutes, folding it several times till a soft dough is obtained. Keep the dough aside to ferment for 5 to 6 hours. Smearing a little coconut milk will make the dough softer. Extract about 3 cups coconut milk, add it into the fermented dough and make the thin batter without any lumps. Add sugar according to taste and allow the batter to ferment for another 120 to 2 hours. Add salt and mix well. Heat a cast iron kadai. Rub with oil. Pour 3 to 4 tablespoons of the batter into the kadai. Spread the batter by rotating the kadai so that about 2.5 of kadai is thinly coated and remaining batter collects in the center. Care should be taken to rotate the kadai only once. Cover with a white flatting laid with a handle perfectly metallic. Lower the heat and cook for 3-4 minutes. When appam are ready, their edges resemble crisp lace and the center of loaf and well risen best when served hot with mutton stew. Beans toran, a French bean preparation with coconut. Ingredients: 450 grams French beans, 50 grams onion, 4-5 green chilies, 1 tablespoon mustard seeds and 330 ml oil, 50 grams coconut grated, 1 spring curry leaves, salt to taste. Method: wash, stringe and slice beans into small pieces. Chop onions and green chilies. Heat oil, add mustard seeds. When mustard seeds crackle, add chopped onion, green chilies and curry leaves, salt. Add sliced beans, salt and enough water to cook beans. Cook until water evaporates. Add grated coconut. Cook a little longer, stir well and remove from fire. Serve hot. Columba, a brinjal and gram preparation in a sour paste. Ingredients: 3-4 brinjals cut into big pieces, half cup red gram dal, 2-3 red chilies chopped, 1 tablespoon tamarind pulp, 2 tablespoon columba powder, half tablespoon mustard seeds, a few curry leaves, a pinch of asafoetida, 1 tablespoon tamarind pulp, 1 tablespoon oil, 2 tablespoon columba powder, salt to taste. For columba masala: 200 grams coriander seeds, 25 grams red chilies, 5 grams mustard seeds and 5 grams cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon black gram dal, 1 teaspoon Bengal gram dal, 1 teaspoon fenugreek seed and half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon black peppercorns and half teaspoon asafoetida, 2 tablespoon curry leaves, oil for frying. Methods: to prepare the columba masala: fry the ingredients separately on low flame until they are light brown in color. Pound them together and sieve. Blend the masala well and store in an airtight jar. Wash and cook the dal Cook and brinjal separately with enough water till soft. Add salt, turmeric pulp and 1 teaspoon of columba powder to the dal. Stir well and add enough water and bring to a boil. Heat oil and prepare the seasoning with mustard seeds, red chilies, curry leaves and asafoetida. Add the seasoning to the dal. Serve hot with rice. Sambar. Lentil and mixed vegetables with a tangy taste. Ingredients: 2 cups arhar dal, 2 tablespoons oil, 1 cup mixed vegetables, brinjals or French beans, etc., 2 onion chopped, 2 tablespoons coconut, 2 tablespoons coriander seeds, 1 large pinch each of fenugreek seeds, asafoetida and turmeric, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 4 springs curry leaves, 2 tablespoons coriander leaves chopped, a lemon-sized ball of turmeric, salt to taste. Methods: chop the vegetables into pieces, clean and wash the dal, cook the dal till soft, beat well till it blends, add vegetables and onions and boil. Keep aside. Roast coriander seeds, fenugreek seeds and asafoetida in half the oil. Grind the masala with coconut and turmeric to a smooth paste. Add to dal. Add turmeric, salt and little water to get the right consistency of the dal. Boil for a minute. Heat oil and add mustard seeds, curry leaves. When the mustard seeds and splatter are tempering to the dal, serve hot with idli, dosa or rice. Raw banana and chawli sabji. Ingredients: 300 grams raw bananas, 150 grams long beans or chawli, 5 whole red chilies, seeds and chopped, 2 springs curry leaves, 2 teaspoon mustard seeds, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoon chili powder, 2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon coconut oil, salt to taste. Methods: apply a little oil on the palms, carefully remove the green outer layer of raw bananas, not the entire peel, dice them, put the diced bananas in a pan full of salted water and boil till cooked. Strain the beans and cut them into 1½ long pieces. Blanch in salted boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes. Drain. Heat oil in a kadai and season with mustard seeds. When they crackle, add red chilies and curry leaves. Mix coriander powder, chili powder and turmeric powder in about 3 tablespoons water and add to the pan. Stir till the moisture evaporates. Add the bananas and the beans and stir fry for 3 to 4 minutes. Remove from heat and serve hot with Malabar parathas. Spinach potato fry. Ingredients: 80 grams red spinach, 200 grams potatoes peeled and diced, 90 grams coconut grated, salt to taste. For tempering, 2 tablespoons coconut oil, 1 tablespoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon urad dal washed and dried, 1 onion sliced, a spring curry leaves, a piece of ginger julienne and 6 green chilies julienne. Method: parboil and potatoes with salt, drain and keep aside. Heat oil in a kadai and add mustard seeds. When they splutter, add urad dal and fry till golden brown. Add onion and fry till translucent. Add ginger, green chilies and curry leaves and fry well. Add the spinach and fry till almost dry. Then put the potatoes and cook till done and the moisture evaporates. Add grated coconut and toast for a minute. Remove from heat and serve hot and accompaniment with rice. Raw banana thoran. Raw banana is a coconut base. Ingredients: 500 grams raw bananas, half coconut grated, 10 grams green chilies, a half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 clove of garlic, 1 onion, 2 spring curry leaves, salt to taste. To temper, 15 ml coconut oil, 2 onions. Method: peel and cut bananas into cubes. Wash self. Add just enough water to cook. Add salt, grind together green chilies, turmeric powder, coconut, garlic and onion. Add the ground masala to the cooked banana. Cook for a few minutes. Mix well. Add curry leaves and remove from fire. Heat oil in a frying pan. Add sliced onions and fry till brown. Add the banana mixture. Stir well for 2-3 minutes. Serve hot. Stuffed padawal. Snake ground stuffed with potatoes. Ingredients: 450 grams snake ground and 225 grams potatoes, 5 grams onion, 10 grams green chilies and 30 grams ground flour, half lime.